Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on another Smoke and Mirrors Jewel Vibes palette look look using that palette. This is look number 3 and I always try to challenge myself to see how many looks I can come up with on camera and off camera using new palettes I picked up. This one came from Five Below for only $5. Smoke and Mirrors are pretty awesome, so definitely check Five Below out for your makeup. Some new makeup, and I prime my eyes with the Bleed Beauty eyeshadow primer, and I have Hard Candy Loose powder under my eyes, and I'm using this plummy shade in the palette, and I'm going to take that on a dense smudger style kind of crease brush, and this is a good brush to really pack on color. So that's why I chose this one, and it's going to help a little with the fallout. And I'm just really pressing that into my outer corner and my crease, bringing that into the crease. I don't want this shade to go any much higher than the orbital bone. So the next shade I'm taking is this beautiful green shade with these gold flecks throughout it, and they mix together and it just makes the most beautiful shade of green. And I'm just taking that on a flat shader, and look how creamy these are. They apply very nicely, they blend nice, they're pigmented. I actually really do like this palette. The only bad thing I can really say about this palette, of course it has kickback and things like that in the pan and on your face, but the most bumming thing about the palette is that most of it is shimmery. There's like 2 matte shades, and I'm not the biggest fan of using an all shimmered out look for that. So next up I'm taking the pink shade in this palette, one of them, the most pink shade. The other pinky shade in the palette is like a pink with an orange kind of shifty vibe going on, so it's like a duochrome kind of shade. This one's just straight pink, so I'm taking that along the edges of the plum shade. At first I'm just patting that around and building the color up, and then I'm going to go in with some more plum shade, and I'm going to start blending the plummy shade with the pink shade, going over the lines of each color where they meet and going back and forth to do so, and eventually you'll see that they mesh very nicely together and fairly seamless, and it just works. I love how this look came out. It's one of the more colorful looks I've done using this palette, and I'm really digging this green and purple. I love it. One of my favorite villains is the Joker, so anytime I have any kind of excuse to use purple and green, I absolutely will. This is NYX Single Eyeshadow in Pure Skin, and I'm using that as a highlight. Very pretty highlight, and I put it in my project pan because I hadn't been reaching for it, and I think that I am back onto it again. It's really nice, and I don't know if they sell this anymore, but it is a nice highlight. Yeah, it's just a skin tone highlighter. So going back in with that pink brush, and I always like doing this around the crease, whatever is the last shade I applied in the crease, or like a transition kind of shade, I will use that to blend with the brow bone. I'm wiping away the fallout. I'm bringing the green on the lower lash line. This is an absolutely beautiful look in my opinion, and I'm very happy with how this look came out. So I'm taking that icy silvery blue. It's actually like a silvery shade, but it has these blue, icy blue flecks in it, and mixed together that makes this really pretty icy blue, and I'm applying that in my inner corner. I did do a different version of this look, very similar, pretty much identical to this one, but I used a green eyeliner in my waterline. And but I'm digging the purple waterline so much more. That liquid liner, the green one, was from Hard Candy, and it was called like Money, and this is a gel eyeliner from LA Colors, and it's called Enchanted, and this is Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit. So I'm going to apply a couple coats of that, and the eyes are done. Eyes are so done, and I love this look. It's so pretty, and I think it would work perfect for fall as well, but a colorful fall look. And this is Maybelline's Nude Lust lipstick. So beautiful, and that lipstick pairs with anything. So for the highlighter, of course, I'm beaming, I'm glowing, and it is from the palette. I'm using the golden shade today. So far I have tried out all 3 highlighters, and very beautiful, pigmented, shimmery. You can build them up to be like blah in your face, and they're very beautiful. So that was the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the makeup tutorial. Hopefully you will try it out for yourselves. We'll check your Vibe Glow out for some new makeup palettes. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as a product list.